Alright, baddies, let's step into our black cat energy. This is that I'm too good for this nonsense vibe. Start by closing your eyes, relaxing your shoulders, and breathing with me. Breathe in confidence and power. And out, releasing any low vibe energy. Another deep breath in, knowing you are the standard. And out, letting go of anyone who doesn't meet it. One more time, breathe in and out. We don't chase, we attract. Let's purr into this energy. Repeat after me and make it drip with that untouchable vibe. I am the prize, and only the worthy get my time. If you don't meet my standards, you don't get my attention. Broke energy, can't relate, can't hear it. The first time you mess up is the last time you get access to me. I set the rules, and anyone who can't play by them is benched. I deserve luxury, loyalty, and love that matches my energy. My time is expensive, my presence is rare, and my standards are high. I am a magnet for success and abundance, and distractions bounce right off of me. My energy is exclusive, and I protect it fiercely. I am unapologetically me, and anyone who doesn't like it can watch me from the sidelines. Alright, baby, feel that power. You're not just a vibe, you're a whole mood. You're the standard, and anyone lucky enough to step into your world knows they have to level up. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Strut into the day like the baddie you are. Now that you're fully in your black cat energy, mysterious, untouchable, and completely irresistible, play this whenever you need a reminder that you're the standard, not the exception. Now go and shine and let them wish they can sit at your table. Meow!